Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today in this video, I have 3 more great ideas, easy ideas on creating holiday home decor. So what you see in front of me today is some glassware that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, those beautiful round fishbowl type vases. I'm going to be using 3 of those today. I'll be using that greenery that you see there, the berries and the mini pine cones that you see in the little cup, candles, and a little bit of hot glue to assemble the projects. But anyway guys, I won't be using those things that you see at the top of the screen, those Christmas ornaments, the other stuff that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I won't be using that today. I'll use that in another project. Keep watching because I'm going to get started. Okay guys, so here are the 3 vases that I have from the Dollar Tree, and what I'm going to do now is just start gathering all the items I'm going to use. This is a very quick, easy, simple project. As a matter of fact, you don't need any adhesive to do this. So I'm going to start with those greenery that you see back there. I'm going to cut off the stems and sort of fold and bend them into the shape of the glass. I need them to be sort of, curved a little bit. So before I get started, I'm just going to cut off all the pieces that I think I'm going to be using. So now I'm going to be pulling off some of the berries off the stem. As you can see, I've already started doing that. I have some in the cup. I'm going to be using a few of those, and I'm going to pull off enough to use in another project for later. But this is how I'm going to take this off. I used to cut them off, but a subscriber told me, Ms. Des, all you have to do is just pull them off. And so now that's what I do. Anyway, thumbs up to her. Thanks for the tip. And yeah, so I'm just going to pull those off. So here I have a box of mini pine cones. I picked this up from Amazon, and I'm going to find the smallest pine cones that I can to fit in the vase. So now that I have all the greenery that I'm going to use, I'm going to start bending and sort of shaping them a little bit just to give them a slight curve. And I'm going to be using these pine needles. I'm also going to be using the boxwood greenery in the back. I believe it's called boxwood. If not, guys, you can correct me because I'm not really up on the names of a lot of florals. But anyway, I'm going to be using the things that you see there in front of me. And since the other 2 vases are exactly the same as the one I'm showing you, I'll do those off screen. Okay guys, so look how beautiful that looks. But I absolutely love the simplicity of this. It looks very natural. It looks like it's a part of nature. So anyway guys, you let me know what you think. Okay, for our next DIY, I'm going to be using this greenery, these pine needles that are flocked. There's a lot of flocking material on this, guys, and I already removed most of it, or a lot of it rather, with that toothbrush. because it was just a little too much and it didn't look as natural as it could. So I want it to look like fresh snow has fallen on it, but it was just a little too much. But anyway, I'm going to be using this today, and I'm going to start removing all the sharp pieces. So what I'm going to do is start shaping it a little bit, creating a slight C curve. I'm going to do that to all of them. I'm going to use this sliced wood. You could get this from your craft stores like Michael's, Hobby Lobby. I think I've seen them sell this at Home Depot as well. They make them in thicker pieces as well. And so I'm going to use this today. I picked this up from my discount store. I'm going to be hot gluing the greenery on top of this. So this is going to be my base today for my candle. So I'm going to set my candle on top of it. I'm going to use my pencil and I'm going to trace the bottom part of the candle. Once I start gluing down the branches, I don't want the branches to cover the space where the candle is going to sit. So after I do that, guys, I'm going to start hot gluing all the branches into place. I'm going to start with the greenery or the pine that doesn't have any of the flocking on it. I want that to be at the bottom. This is going to add a little bit of thickness to the project. So I'm going to be using my Aleene's glitter snow. This is my first time using this, guys, and I did receive this as a gift from Aleene's a few years ago. I posted a quick video up on Instagram. I mentioned it on this channel as well, that they had sent me a lot of their glue adhesive products just because they like kind of DIYs I do. This is non-sponsored, guys. This is not a sponsored video. They don't sponsor my channel. They just were looking out and just sent me a lot of adhesive because they see that I like to use their adhesive. So this is my first time using it. I'm sort of like learning as I'm going along, but I think you're supposed to pat this on. You really can't brush it on. You have to sort of like pat it on the surface of, wherever you want to apply it. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to finish up, and then we're going to put our candle in, and then I'm going to show you what the finished project looks like. Alright guys, that project came out really, really nice. For our last project, I'm going to be using these two small dishes. I got this from the Dollar Tree. You get a set of four for $1.25. And these are really nice. Tealight candles fit in really nicely. I'm going to be using those two mirrors. Those two glittered edged mirrors are from the Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be using this Dollar Tree trim. This is called I think this is called the silver beaded wrap. And let me see, it's called silver pearl wrap. So this is the silver pearl wrap. I'm going to be using that. I'm going to be using these two reindeers. These reindeers I picked up from my discount store. These are plastic, they're acrylic. This is the name of the company, Christmas Elegance. So I'm going to start just by removing the tag, and I'm also going to be removing that little ring that's on the reindeer's back. I'm going to start with my Aleene's clear gel tacky glue, and I'm going to apply a little bit of the tacky glue along the antlers of the reindeer. I'm going to brush that in, and then I'm going to be adding more glitter on top, just a little bit more of clear glitter on top. Okay guys, so for this part of the project, I'm not going to be using hot glue, or this is double-sided adhesive tape. I'm going to be using this today, and I'm just going to add it to the mirrors, and then I'm going to place the reindeer on top. This is actually stronger than hot glue. So I'm going to put this on. I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it. So I'm going to press the reindeer into place, and I want to show you how strong this adhesive tape is. The mirror is actually heavier than the reindeer, and you can see that it's holding the mirror in place, and you can see that the tape is holding both the mirror and the reindeer in place. So I'm just going to continue attaching this, making sure it's nice and secure. I'm going to remove a lot of the excess tape that you see that's in between the reindeer's legs. I'm going to remove that, make it look a lot neater. So next I'm going to be using that adhesive tape on the bottom of the Tealight candle holder. Okay guys, look how nice this looks. This is so beautiful. I love this, and honestly everything was so inexpensive. I think I probably made this for under like $5. I loved all three projects. Please let me know what you think, and I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it, guys. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. Happy holidays to you all, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.